fall, I'll keep you warm all summer and after fall.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about hair growth. I know my hair is not long enough to make videos on hair growth, but let me tell you one thing. My hair used to look like this, but now it look like this. That also in just 6 to 8 months. So yeah, I am quite capable of giving hair growth tips. So in today's video, I will tell you guys about my nighttime routine before the day I wash my hair. So this is basically a minimalist and very effective nighttime routine before hair wash day. Let me tell you one thing more. I am still on my journey of growing my hair. I want my hair to grow really long. So I will further update you guys. But this is my current hair growth routine and this is quite effective. And this will work for all of you. To know about my further hair growth journey, you have to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my further updates. So without further delay, let's get into the video. Oh my god, I said further too many times. The routine starts with very calm and effective hot oil massage. I use different types of oil. So I'm taking almond oil 1 spoon. With almond oil, I'm mixing castor oil, which is the main ingredient of this oil. Castor oil is very known for hair growth and it increases your hair growth. So I'm taking 2 spoons of castor oil. Now I'm taking olive oil as my carrier oil because my scalp is kind of oily, so I can't use coconut oil. For the people with oily scalp, please avoid using coconut oil. You can replace your coconut oil with olive oil or any other oil. I mixed lavender oil also because lavender oil is known for healing scalp. It heals your scalp with any kind of scalp infection or scalp damage. So lavender, you can skip lavender oil also if you don't want to add it, and you don't have to add it. Now we are going to warm our oil with double boiling process. You can either put your oil into microwave, but double boiling process is most effective process of warming your oil. Now gently massage the oil in your hair like this. You have to be very gentle and careful while massaging your hair. Please don't use nail tips. Avoid touching your nails to your scalp. Only massage your scalp with fingertips. Give more attention to the areas where your hairs are more damaged, like front scalp and scalp near forehead. After applying oil, I do inversion method. Inversion method directly supply blood flow in your scalp and make hair growth. You should not do inversion method daily. Do it only when you apply hair oil. Now lightly tie your hair in a braid and leave it overnight. Next morning, before washing my hair, this is another really important step, that is onion juice. I take onion and grind them. Grating them take too much time and most of the onion got wasted, so I usually grind them. Onion juice is really beneficial for your hair growth and it make your hair shiny and strong. Please don't skip this part because onion is really miracle ingredient for hair growth and it makes your hair really long in very short period of time. Onion juice is miracle for your hair growth and you should not skip this step because it is the main step of your whole hair growth journey. Apply onion juice whenever you wash your hair. Even if you forget oiling, you should always apply onion juice before washing your hair. Never wash your hair without onion juice. You have to keep the juice in your hair for almost like 30 to 45 minutes and then wash it off with a mild shampoo. I will tell you which kind of shampoo you should use in further the video. Now on shampoo and conditioner part, you should use shampoo which is paraben free. Your shampoo and conditioner should be according to your hair type. Like my hair is really soft, so I don't have to worry about shampoo. I can use any type of shampoo, but if your hair is not soft and dry, you should use hydrating shampoos. Always condition your hair after shampooing. Conditioner to your hair is like moisturizer to your skin. No matter your hair is soft or already moisturized, you have to use conditioner like you have to use moisturizer. So never skip conditioning your hair. And you must be knowing that you should always apply conditioner only on your roots and shampoo only in your scalp. After drying my hair, I usually apply hair serum in my roots for frizz-free hairs. You can skip this step, but I usually apply serum. This makes hair look shiny and healthy. Here are some additional tips in your hair growth. You should always tie your hair whenever you go outside. Don't open hair too much. Don't leave hair in dry weather out too much. Comb your hair 2 times a day so you can avoid tangling, because tangling causes hair damage too much. That's it for today's video. If you want to know more about my hair growth journey and what actually happened to my hair, you have to subscribe to my channel so I can make more videos on this topic. Till then, bye.